Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will create this bouncing loading animation. So you can see we have 5 circles and they are bouncing randomly. So let's see how we can do that. I will start by going here in my HTML and I will add a UL. Then I will add 5 list items inside it. And these list items will be the bouncing circles, or balls. Then I will go to my CSS to add some styles. I will start here in the body by adding background color, this dark gray color. Then I will target the UL, and I will add margin, 0, padding, 0, then display, flex. Now, let's target the list items inside the UL. And I will add list style, none, width, 30 pixels, height, 30 pixels as well, and then background color, white, then margin, 0 from top and bottom, and 10 pixels from left and right, because we want some space between the list items. So here are our list items sitting beside each other because we set the display property of the UL to flex. Let's keep going. I will go back inside the list item selector, and I will add border radius 50% so that the list items will be circles. Great! So now we need to work on our animation. If we take a quick look at our demo, you can see that the circles are moving from their original position upward to a new position, then move back downward again to their original position. So the animation will contain 3 stages. In the first stage, the circles will be in their original position with no movement. Then, at 50% of the animation duration, the circles will move upward by a distance equal to, let's say, 150 pixels. Then, at the end of the animation duration, they will return to their original position. So let's see how we can do that. I will go right here and create a new animation. Then I will name it jumping. And inside of it, I will say, at 0% of the animation duration, I will add transform, translate Y, 0. Then, at 50% of the animation duration, transform, translate Y, minus 150 pixels, so the circles will move 150 pixels towards the top. Then, at 100%, transform, translate Y, 0 again, to make them return to their original position. Good. Now I will go up here, inside the list item selector, and I will add animation, then jumping, then the animation duration, 0.8 seconds. Then linear, and infinite, of course. So now you can see the circles are jumping up 150 pixels, then returning to their starting position. Cool. Now we need to add a border at the bottom of the circles. So I will go inside the UL and I will add border bottom, 10 pixels, solid, white. So now you can see we have the border below the circles. Great. Now we have one thing left. The circles are now jumping together, and we need to change that. We want to make it look like random jumping. So what we can do is we can add random animation delay values for each circle. So I will go right here and target the first list item. So I will say UL Li, nth child, 1. And inside of it, I will add animation delay, and I will add any random value. Let's say 0.45 seconds. Then I will copy all of this, paste it again 4 times so that we can target each list item individually. Then I will change the number of the child here to 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. And I will add random values for each circle. So for the second circle, I will add, let's say 0.6 seconds. And for the third circle, I will add 0.3 seconds. And I will leave the fourth circle as it is, so it will move immediately. And finally, I will add 0.1 seconds to the fifth circle. So those are just random values that will make the circles move randomly. So now I will go back to the browser and reload, and you can see the circles are bouncing up and down randomly, giving us the effect we wanted. So this is it for this lesson, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.